Hi everybody, stay tuned to see how I created this hair look. Woo. And thanks for watching too, and thank you for your support. I'll catch you in the next video, but make sure you watch this video to entirety and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and leave me any feedback in the comments. Thank you. Let's get to it. As you see, I've sectioned my hair into 3 sections. One at the back, one at the middle, and a little one at the front. I'm using the kinky hair, and I twisted it with a hairband to attach it to my hair, and now I put it on my hair, and now I'm just twisting it around to make a nice little bun, as you can see right now. Just checking it out, it felt secure, so I just left it, and now I will be doing the middle one. I'm just watching this. Yes, I am doing the middle one. And I am dancing to a little music as well. Shame you can't hear it, but you know, YouTube, the changes, copyright, yada yada yada. And now I am adding 2 kinky hair twists to the middle bun. And then I wrap these around, and you can just see what I'm doing in the video, my technique of how I do it. Yeah, just a little bit quiet. I'm just watching as well. You know how it is doing voiceover, you actually got to watch the video to actually say what's going to happen next. And like you can see now, I wrapped both of the twists around my hair to make a bun. I don't think it's secure yet, but I'm thinking, hey, it's okay for now. Do I add pins in? No, I don't, but I add pins in eventually to secure it. So now I am trying to do the front bit, and you will see my struggle, because I did struggle a little bit because I wanted it to be like a certain way, but it just wasn't working. So yeah, you're observing what I'm doing. That's what I'm saying, about 2 minutes. I'm coming back. The struggle of doing hair videos on camera, sometimes it's a lot of pressure, and then when it's not working out well, it's like you're panicking in your head, what to do next, what to do next, what can I do? And yes, there was a little struggle. And now you see me getting pins in my head to secure it as well. There's the pin. There I'm securing it in my hair. Well, struggling to secure it in my hair as well, but yeah, I secured it. Nice little poof at the front of my hair. It sounds funny saying that word, I don't think I speak. And there goes another pin that I'm using to secure that end of that section. As you saw in the front section, I didn't twist it because I want to have a little nice fluffy look, so to say. So that is what I did. The overall look came out very good. I'm very surprised myself, because I'm just experimenting with hair and trying to use hair extensions to create different kind of creations, because I'm trying not to wear wigs a lot now, because the front of my hairline is a bit bad, and because of work I get very hot at work, so I need hairstyles that are cooling on my head, because my head, I usually get hot, like I said, and I work in a hot building. Well, not hot building, but it's just hard work, so to say. So yeah, I created this style. Let me know what you think, and if you can create this style, I want to see your videos of creating this style as well. It's kind of easy, like I said, once you get the hang of it. Yeah, I'm securing the hair with more pins, I think. I don't even know how much pins I use, because I kind of lost track. It was so funny. But yeah, there, I'm laughing now. Spinning around to show you the outcome of what I did. So yeah. Oh yeah, this little bit, I don't usually use like holding gel, but I thought let me just show it in a video to show what it looks like using the holding gel in my hair. But I'm not a big fan of gels and that kind of stuff, because I don't really think it's all that good, or I just don't like it in my hair. that's it. But I just thought, let me try it and see how it is. But it's like you got to use too much in your hair, and I'm just not really a fan of build up on my hair, hence why I didn't really use too much. But hey, I still tried it out. I know people are funny about, oh, your edges are messy, but hey, I got edges, I can't help that they're messy. But it's like, I know what I gotta do to keep my hair healthy, so that's what I gotta do. So like I said, I'm trying out this gel, but I didn't really put it in my hair after this video because I don't really like it in general. I'll just stick to my oils and my hair grease and shea butter because that's what I know. But yeah, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some feedback. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. There's more hair videos coming. So thanks for watching again. Yay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.